Hi everyone, welcome to Pro Trader. Today is Monday the 6th of May. You've got me and I'm joined today by one of our clients, Jeff Burfield.
Hello.
Hi Jeff. Jeff's been a client of Pro Traders for 15 years and has been on several of our overseas workshops, so pretty confident he knows what he's talking about. But we're going to test him out today. Now, just before we start, we'll have a quick look at the All Ords. It's nice to see a little bit of a recovery. You can definitely draw a box around this right now. I'm going to just draw it here. Yeah, tidy. See what happens. Hopefully it pops its little head out the top again. Now, Jeff, what's your favourite scan? What shall we do today?
The one on Pro Trader is probably high highs, high lows. Everybody can do that one. That's all set up automatically.
In the Guru's toolbox, it is. It's a fun one to do. So Guru's high, 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 low. Let's do the scan. Okay, so we've got 9. Now, Jeff, can you go through and tell us which ones you think look good and why, and ones you don't think look good? So first of all, ADS, what are your thoughts on this one?
It's probably too messy for me, and not a lot happening. Also, there's 3.2 billion, so...
Yep, good call. 3.2 and there's 3,000 gone through. Oh, it's not traded since the 30th of April either. So, yeah, meh.
Yeah.
Okay, next one, AEE, that has traded today. Okay, thoughts on that one?
Again, to me, it looks as though it needs to consolidate a little bit more before I would get into it.
Yeah.
And then I'd be probably looking at a break of... probably the 20, to be honest.
Up here, oh yeah, it's big 20-cent level.
Yep.
Yeah, it is a nice sideways move. It's definitely finding support at the 16.5. Keeps getting rejected at 16. Definitely struggling to get through 19. Yeah, it'd be nice to see volume and OBV starting to rise with price increasing. And yeah, close above 19 or yeah, break a 20.
Yep.
Nice one. Probably good to add to your watch list. Okay, next. Oh, a hot topic at the moment, uranium.
Yeah, it's, again, that looks as though it's just on a steady rise, so that's possibly something to buy and just sit on, I would think. Yeah,
I think so. What's a 5-year chart look like? So it's had a lot of growth already. For me personally, I'd like to see it stick around this $1.70 kind of level, I think, for a while to give us some kind of entry, a proper high, 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 low. You'd argue that was your low. You had a lower, higher high, lower high, high, high again, higher, low, and now it's broken that higher high. But then you've still got this one sitting here, which is the $1.67.5, which is looming. So, yeah, it's done a lot of work in the past few days.
The only... a little bit that I don't like is that there's not a lot of buyers to sellers.
Okay.
And that's probably more of why I would sort of just, it's a buy and sit on it.
Sit back and wait. Yep, no, perfect. Very good. All right, now, next one, GSM.
GSM, I like this. It's had a long consolidation. There's a gap at 3 cents, and the buyers are also 2 to 1. So I'd probably, it's not quite a saucer, but it's heading that way.
Yeah, I like this as well. I agree with you. It's tightly held. There's not many out there. Not a lot of volume going through at the moment, but I don't think it's going to take much for something to start happening. And we want to see increase in volume, increase in OBV, and that start to push through. Yeah, the 1-2. So you'd put a buy in at 1-3, did you say?
Probably 1-3, and just see, either take profits at the 2.5 or see whether it was how strong it was.
Yep. Yeah. So whether you sort of add or just sell half.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good because it has got that target there. That's an interesting one to watch. That'd be a good one to put in your watch list. All right, HGV.
To me, there's not a lot there. It looks a bit messy up and down.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a bit tricky. It's very tightly held, but there are no real volumes going through there.
No signs from my point of view.
Yeah, I think we've seen better ones out there.
Yep.
NHC. Okay, this is the sister to Whitehaven with coal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about this. It looks like it's on a downtrend when you put it on a 5-year chart.
It does. You probably, obviously, there's a resistance at 5, so whether you wait till that or you wait till the 540, I don't know.
Yeah, it's got a bit of work to do, this one, I think. Not sure about it. I'm not sure of the direction. It'd be nice to see it break $4.85 because it's created a new high then. Yeah, it's just in this channel. Just have to watch it. Nothing to do on that one. RSH. That's interesting.
Yeah, that looks as though it's on a steady climb.
I like that on a 5-year chart.
Yeah, it's... Where am I? Yeah. It's... I think the support is there at the 3.2. It's sort of... I think it probably needs to break 3.5 before it sort of...
Yeah, I agree. The only thing against it, I'd say, is there's $1 billion out there and there's just no volume going through it.
No.
You might get into that and be stuck in it. It'd be interesting to watch, though, when it gets up to, if it does get here, what the volume and OBV is doing, and if people are starting to buy in, there could be some news coming. So it'd be probably worth watching to see. But until then, nothing much to do on that one. What is this? Oh, it looks like a, what do you call it? Like a... Oh, what's the word I'm thinking of? The options, an option side.
Yeah, it's possible. To me, I think it happened. It's already moved today. I probably would wait to see what happened.
Yeah, it's left a gap. 100% agree. Okay, last one, ZGL.
Not enough happening for me. Too many dot days I would look at.
Yeah, not a lot of volume on that.
No,
I agree. Excellent. All right, well, we got GSM out of that. Deep yellows, couple there to watch. RSH, stick in your watch list and see what they do. Any other questions or anything you want to talk about, Jeff?
No, I basically play in the penny dreadfuls, which a lot of people don't like. But it's a hobby for me, so to speak.
Yeah, and the penny dreadfuls are a lot of fun. They're a lot of fun. Yeah, there's actually one that I thought of earlier today that's a penny dreadful that's doing all right is CYM. I think I've put this chart up in the Facebook page, Pro Trader page, but that had a really big run. That got rejected, but it's still finding support and it's forming, I would say, a tiny little, if you would call it, an ascending triangle. But I like the look of that, so I'm keeping an eye on that one. They're my 2 cents worth for today. So, yeah.
And I really haven't got a lot else, to be honest. CYM is the on balance. The buyers are huge compared to the sellers. So
yes.
Probably,
53 million to 12. Yeah, fun. Excellent. Okay. All right. Well, we'll leave it at that today. Thank you so much for joining us, Jeff. You'll be hearing more of Jeff in the future. Until then, we'll chat to you soon.
All right.
Thanks, everyone. See ya.